This video is the last in the Quick Start series of lessons. We recommend that you take the previous 4 lessons first. In the 5th part we will study Renga Collaboration Server, Syncing Changes, Project Journal. With Renga, different users can collaborate on a project published on a collaboration server. Edit the project on different computers at the same time, with the automatically coordination of changes made by different users. Synchronize project changes using the sync command. Synchronize project changes automatically in real time. Edit the project when disconnected from the server, synchronizing changes when the connection is restored. To start collaborating, you first need to install Renga Collaboration Server on the server. To configure a server, launch the Collaboration Server application and follow the instructions. Click Options to specify the installation folder, server connection port, access key, and polling interval. Configure a polling interval for detect and disconnect an invalid connection in time. To limit access to the server in the global network, set the server access key. Now you need to determine in Renga the connection settings in the Collaboration tab. And restart the application after changing the connection settings. After restarting, check the server connection in the Renga's title bar. If the status is working offline, you are not connected to server. If the status is connected to server, the connection is established. Our status is connected to server. It's time to open a project. After that, on the primary panel, on the sync menu, click Publish. The status is shared appears in the title bar. Then save project and send a copy of RNP file to all participants of the project. Provide them connection settings and server access key. When your colleague receives a project published on the server, he or she will need to save a copy of the project to local disk, as well as set the connection settings in the Collaboration tab in Settings. Username must be unique. As in the previous case, it is necessary to restart the application after changing the connection settings and to check the server connection in the Renga's title bar. Now it is possible to open the project. The project name and the status is shared appear in the title bar. When collaborating on a project in Renga, you can sync changes in 2 ways. The first way is by using the sync command on the primary panel. All the changes that were made before sync are retained in a local copy on the user's PC. The changes are not visible for the rest participants of the project. Sync must be done by the user who made the changes, otherwise the changes will be discarded by the server. Let's add land to our project and see how it works. For that, select the floor tool, assign the material and place the grass cover in 3D view. Then activate the sync command on the primary panel, or press F5. The changes appeared on another user. Any changes to the project will appear in the same way. Do not forget to sync changes as often as possible. You may also sync automatically, if the automatically sync changes option is enabled in settings. All changes in the project become visible to all project participants instantly when the select tool is active in the current tab. To demonstrate this mode, let's change the settings and restart the application. Now resize the garage windows. The windows instantly changed to another user. After the project is published, a project journal is maintained on the server in the Renga Collaboration Server Projects folder. The journal describes all project changes after publication. A journal is also maintained on the user's computer in a folder whose name is on the screen. The journal displays user actions and changes that occurred during synchronization. The names of the project journals on the server and on the user's computers and the name of the project file on the server are the same. To save the current state of the journal on disk, On the primary panel, on the Sync menu, click Open Project Journal. We recommend using a spreadsheet editor or business intelligence system to view the logs. More recommendations for collaboration can be found in the Help section, subsection Collaboration. This is the end of the last part of the lesson, Quick Start. To learn more, explore our next courses.